The Logitech streaming camera? The Canon mobile printer or Vibe digital whiteboard? Perhaps the Dell universal dock or the Ember travel mug? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 coolest gadgets to increase productivity available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 coolest gadgets to increase productivity. The 5th product on this list is the Vibe Digital Whiteboard Pro. We all need a little help keeping the ball rolling. That's where gadgets can lend a hand. This is a 75-inch 4K Ultra display that combines an interactive digital whiteboard and smart software. With this enormous screen, you can almost see the display on this Vibe Digital Whiteboard from space, which is convenient because its features are also pretty out of this world. This collaboration smartboard saves content in real time, allowing you and your remote team to collaborate and create from any device. You can bring content from another device to the Vibe screen using Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and other services. You can also use the stylus pen to take notes, annotate any document, and simply erase and rewrite if necessary. It also supports split screen mode, allowing everyone to see and interact with each other while the presentation is being delivered. Any Vibe Canvas screen can be saved as a PDF to your preferred cloud drive, ensuring that no good ideas are lost. Each participant can make notes or annotate on a central screen using the Vibe Canvas app. Furthermore, fleet management allows you to maintain control over each authorized device, ensuring the security of your content. This Vibe interactive whiteboard will reinstall that sense of community between you and your colleagues, whether it's a conference, an interactive team-building exercise, a training workshop, or an online class. So if you want an innovative way to save time and keep everyone engaged, this is the device for you. Its pros are, it has 20 touch points, so you can draw at the same time with multiple team members. It supports screencasting, so you can present any content that you want from any device. And it features SSO integration, so you can log in securely with your work domain account. However, it will require a bit of space, especially if you're using it in your home office. The Vibe Digital Whiteboard Pro is an incredible tool with numerous features, making it an ideal device for hybrid work environments. Up next in 4th place is the Ember Temperature Control Travel Mug. You probably have a travel mug to keep your morning coffee warm on the go, but travel mugs often lose heat quickly, and you end up with lukewarm or cold coffee by the time you actually remember to drink it. That's where the Ember Travel Mug comes in, with a high-tech design and smart technology that keeps your drink at the ideal temperature throughout your commute or while sitting at your desk. This mug has a stylish design that is enhanced by an overall sleek appearance. Even the top of the mug is slightly wider than the bottom, which means that even without a handle, it is easy to hold. The device comes with a matching charging coaster, both with a matte finish. We like how the coating not only makes the mug more comfortable to hold, but it also improves your grip, preventing accidental drops. One of the mug's best design features is the lid. It opens with a simple push, and the lid allows for 360-degree drinking, allowing users to sip their beverage from any side of the mug. This is especially useful while on the go because you can lift the mug from any angle and start drinking. No need to look for the side with the opening. The lid is also completely leak-proof, so there will be no leaks or spills when you use it. On top of that, it has a well-designed and simple-to-use app. The app doesn't have many extra features that can be confusing or overwhelming. It primarily serves as a temperature gauge for the mug. The app will also notify you when the temperature you have set has been reached. This is the perfect device for coffee lovers wanting a more convenient way to keep their favorite drink warm when they're always going in and out of the office. Its pros are, it has an extended battery life that keeps your drinks perfectly hot for hours on a single charge. It is functional even without connection to the app and will remember the last used temperature. And it enters sleep mode when empty or after 2 hours of inactivity. However, there is unfortunately only one color option, so you can customize it to your personal style. The Ember Travel Mug 2 is an essential travel companion because it's simple to use and highly effective at keeping beverages warm, so you don't need to waste time making a fresh cup every hour or so. Still haven't found a gadget to increase productivity that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Dell Universal Dock. When working with several peripherals, you'll need a dock with universal compatibility with a wide range of PC brands and operating systems. Whether at your desk or in a shared workspace, this unit allows you to easily customize your setup with displays, a mouse, a keyboard, and audio devices from your compatible system of choice. What we like the most is that this dock can be used to enjoy Ultra HD content on a single screen, or connect with 3 4K displays simultaneously via USB-C, thanks to DisplayLink technology. This product is a fast and convenient docking solution. You can easily plug in a single USB-C cable and transfer audio, video, data, and power. Its use of a single cable eliminates the need for an additional power adapter, keeping your workspace neat and clutter-free. What's more, compatibility-wise, this dock works with any laptop equipped with standard USB-C or USB-A. The peripherals are so speedy, with an excellent data transfer rate. This device has exceptionally high quality and is perfect for running 2 monitors and laptops. For those who have a lot of devices to set up, this unit is a lifesaver, as it will reduce your setup time drastically so you can get to work immediately. Its pros are, it's compatible with all brands of laptops, notebooks, tablets. It allows you to plug in a single USB-C cable and transfer audio, video, data, and power. And thanks to its DisplayLink technology, it can power up to 3 4K monitors simultaneously. However, the USB cable out of the dock is wired in, so it can't be replaced with a longer cable or replaced if the USB-C cable breaks. The Dell Universal Dock is an excellent peripheral that bridges the gap between old and new by supporting both USB Type-A and USB Type-C. It's a simple way to future-proof your desk setup and the cleverest solution available for transitioning from legacy ports to the latest standard. The second product on this list is the Logitech Mevo Start Live Streaming Camera. If you're a content creator looking for the best webcam to use, the Logitech Mevo Start Live Streaming Camera is the way to go, because it makes the process so simple and is completely wire-free. All you need is a camera and a smartphone, and all other controls are in the Mevo app. Once configured, you can live stream from virtually any location, thanks to the ability to use Wi-Fi or LTE. You just press record and get going. This camera is small compared to other video cameras. It's about the size and shape of a soap bar, but you'll need your own tripod to hold it up. The design is kept simple with 3 small microphones on top, a lens on the front, and an LED light beneath it to indicate when the camera is recording. The power button, a 3.5mm microphone input, a USB-C charging port, and a micro SD card slot are all located on the back. There are also 4 LED lights that indicate the camera's battery level. To get started, download the Mevo app, which is available for both Android and iOS. The battery will last for more than 6 hours of streaming, but if you need to use it for longer, the USB-C cable can be plugged in too. This device is just incredibly convenient and makes it possible to set up basically anywhere in a matter of minutes, so you can get on and produce your content. Its pros are, it features stunning 1080p HD resolution with crisp, detailed imaging right out of the box. It can be used anywhere using Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or even your smartphone's LTE network. And it is super simple to set up and can even connect with up to 3 Mevo Star cameras to easily create broadcast quality streams with multiple angles. However, it doesn't come with a tripod, so you'll have to buy it separately. The Logitech Mevo Start is an excellent tool for live streaming on sites such as Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch. It's ideal for those who want to create content without spending hours setting up cameras and audio equipment. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the coolest gadget to increase productivity is the Canon Pixma TR150 wireless mobile printer. Nothing feels less productive than standing around waiting to print something. That's where this compact portable inkjet printer comes in. It's speedy and has some handy features as well as reliable performance. Its small size allows it to fit easily on a desk, and when closed, it measures just 12.7 by 7.3 by 2.6 inches. The lid lifts up to reveal a 50-sheet input paper tray and a front flap that drops to reveal the output slot. A 4-way control, a 1.4-inch monochrome OLED display, and a wireless connectivity button are included. This makes it very easy to see what you're doing. It also has a USB port near the back on the right panel next to the power port. We like that it supports Wi-Fi and includes a USB-C cable. Aside from AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, and Mopria support, this model also supports voice commands via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as device pairing via IFTTT. What's more, this model is extremely straightforward to set up and use, saving you a lot of time and hassle. All in all, this sleek portable printer for home and office use is ideal for on-the-go professionals looking to be more productive. Its pros are, its portable design helps you save a lot of space at home or in the office. It starts up quickly, displaying its home screen menu in just 4.2 seconds. It delivers very sharp details and pleasing saturation, and It is effortless to set up and operate, and is compatible with pretty much any device. However, it lacks support for flash drives. The Canon Pixma TR150 wireless mobile printer is an absolute must-have device for anyone wanting to be efficient. It's a brilliant choice for both home offices and small business use. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.